Did you know that some families are chosen to carry the memories of an entire village? In Moonlight Village, young healer Elena discovered this truth in the most unexpected way. Beneath her grandmother's old floorboards, Elena found a glowing egg wrapped in ancient cloth. A yellowed note warned her to crack it only under the new moon. When the darkest night finally came, Elena broke the shell with trembling hands. Instead of a creature emerging, memories poured out like silver mist. But these weren't her memories. They belonged to 12 generations of women in her bloodline. Each vision revealed secrets the village had forgotten. She saw the original pact made with forest spirits, the sacrifices offered for protection, and the ancient magic that kept Moonlight Village safe. The final memory showed Elena a terrible truth. She must choose a child from the village to become the next memory keeper. This choice would decide everything. Would the magical protection continue, or would it crumble forever? As dawn approached, Elena realized her quiet life as a healer was ending. Her true destiny as a memory keeper had just begun.